Hey, Kai, what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing, Kai. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for more eggs.
For more eggs?
And more.
Did you find some?
Yeah. I got purple ones.
Yay! Do you see any more?
I see one. I got that computer.
Oh, good. Do you see any more? Yay! Kai, what do you see by the telephone?
I said I got more eggs.
You do?
Yeah.
Go see what's by the telephone. What is it? Kai, what's by the light? What's that?
I think my eggs I can share. Here's more eggs.
Yay! Kai, what's that right there? Is that a chocolate bunny? Put it in your basket. Show Daddy.
What are we going to do with that?
He's too little to know at this point. We'll just put it back. It's not an egg. Kai, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.